Hi class, I am so sorry that we've had so much trouble with Wiley Plus. The department voted last semester on what textbook would be used for the next 3 years, and that textbook comes with a digital learning platform for those of us who teach online to use, and unfortunately this one has not done very well. So here's the deal. Technical support just reached out to me. Supposedly they have fixed everything. So I've opened up chapter 1 again. I would like for you to try it. I'm going to wait until tomorrow because we have seen that sometimes things change on one day and they're reset overnight and go right back to not working the next day. So by tomorrow, if we're still having trouble, we're just going to stop and I'm going to reset everything. So what I need you to do is try the links in chapter 1, see if the Wiley Plus information is working, the programs. If they are not, please let me know. Now, I have received information on an assignment called Is College Worth It? If you can see my screen right now, which you're supposed to be able to, that is the chapter 1 assignment. There is no assignment, is college worth it? So I don't know how you're seeing that. It doesn't show up on my end. So that's not an assignment that you have to worry about. Basically, in the assignment, you've got the first link is the chapter objectives. You've got the reading assignment, assess your knowledge, the APA style quiz, how to search for scholarly articles, and that quiz. The APA and the scholarly articles, those are all built in Canvas, so you shouldn't have problems with those. The tutorial videos, the virtual field trip, the animation quiz, and the Chapter 1 quiz. Those are Wiley assignments. The scientific method discussion is not. It's built in Canvas, so you should have no problem with that. So please continue to send me if you have problems, because if it does, that's going to answer that we're going to reset. Please do not have anxiety over this. It has been just as much a pain on our side as it has for you. So we really apologize. It's something that's been out of our control, but we're at the point to scrap it and do something else if we have to. We're just going to have to ask you to please be patient with us as we figure out what we're doing. And of course, we're going to have your best interest in mind in that decision. So thank you, and please hold on and hang in there. Have a great day. Please try to get some rest and relaxation this weekend. Take care.